Boys, this is third part of the central government lesson. Now we will see about Parliament of India. The Parliament is the legislative organ of the Union government. Our Parliament is the main organ of our Union government, central government. The Parliament of India consists of three parts. So what are they? President, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. What is the another name for Rajya Sabha? The Council of States. What is the another name for Lok Sabha? The House of the People. The Rajya Sabha is the upper house and Lok Sabha is the lower house. Okay, don't forget. So what is called upper house? Rajya Sabha. What is called lower house? Lok Sabha. So see this picture. This is our parliament. Boys, now we are going to see about the differences between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. We have already seen Lok Sabha is a lower house, Rajya Sabha is a upper house. Okay. So what is the maximum strength in Lok Sabha? 552 members. What is the maximum strength in Rajya Sabha? Only 250 members. Prime Minister is the leader of Lok Sabha. Who is the leader of Lok Sabha? Prime Minister. Vice President of India acts as the chairman. Who does act as the chairman? Vice President of India. Lok Sabha operates for 5 years. How many years Lok Sabha does operate? 5 years. Okay. Rajya Sabha is a permanent body. So this is a permanent one. To become a member of Lok Sabha, the qualifying age is 25 years. Which age is the qualifying age for Lok Sabha? 25 years. Which age is the qualifying age for Rajya Sabha? 30 years. Qualification of the Rajya Sabha members. He should be a citizen of India. He should not be less than 30 years. He should not hold any office or of profit under any government. He should not do any government job. Okay. He should be a person with sound mind and monetarily solvent. So what is the meaning of this? He must be a money solving person. Okay. He should not be the members of Lok Sabha or any other legislature. So he should not be the member of Lok Sabha and any other legislature. He should not be work in any other legislature. Term of the house. The Rajya Sabha is a permanent house and it cannot be dissolved. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of 6 years. So how many years? Term of office 6 years. 1/3 of the members of Rajya Sabha retire every 2 years. So every 2 years 1/3 of its member retire. And new members are elected to fill the seats thus vacated. So after then new members can be elected. The Vice President of India is the ex officio chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. So main head of the Rajya Sabha is Vice President of India. The deputy chairperson of the Rajya Sabha is elected by the members of Rajya Sabha. Deputy chairperson is elected by the members of Rajya Sabha. Money bill. Rajya Sabha does not have any power to amend or reject the money bill. It does not have any power. Okay. Lok Sabha can only introduce money bill and once it is approved by Lok Sabha, it is passed to Rajya Sabha for its approval. So Lok Sabha only the full in charge for the approval of all money bills. If Rajya Sabha fails to pass it within 14 days, then the bill gets passed without the approval of Rajya Sabha. In case Rajya Sabha didn't pass that money bill within 14 days, what happened? All money bills gets passed without the approval of the Rajya Sabha. Also, Lok Sabha does not need to consider the amendments proposed by the Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha also no need any support from Rajya Sabha. Okay. Lok Sabha can reject all the proposals and pass it. Lok Sabha has full rights to reject all the proposals and pass it. Election. Members of Rajya Sabha are elected by the elected members of the state legislative assemblies in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of the single transferable vote. What is the meaning of this? Only one vote. This process of election is called indirect election. So this process is called indirect election because they are not elected by the people directly. Okay. What is called indirect election? Persons are not elected by the people directly. That is called indirect election. So next we are going to see about Lok Sabha. Qualification of the members. He should be a citizen of India. He should not be less than 25 years of age. Boys, these all are we have already seen in the differences. Okay. So just we can go through now. Okay. He should not be less than 25 years of age. He should have his name in electoral rolls in some part of the country. He must have his name in some electoral parts and some parts of the country. He should not hold any office or profit under the union or state government. He should not do any government jobs. Okay. He should be mentally sound and economically solvent. He should be mentally strong and economically solvent person. Okay. The term of the House. Generally, the Lok Sabha enjoys a term of 5 years from the date of its first session. It can be dissolved by the President before the expiry date. This Lok Sabha can be dissolved by the President before its dates expired. The emergency provisions of the Constitution enable the President to prorogue or dissolve the Lok Sabha either on the advice of the Prime Minister. So, what is the meaning of prorogue? We already seen this prorogue. Yes or no? Prorogue is nothing but postpone. Okay. So, what is the meaning of dissolve? Stop or break down. Okay. The emergency provisions of the Constitution enable the President. So, the President can postpone or stop the Lok Sabha, break down the Lok Sabha either on the advice of the Prime Minister with accordance with the Prime Minister advice. Okay. Or on being convinced that no party or no alliance of parties enjoys necessary majority support in the House. So, no majority party support this Lok Sabha. This Lok Sabha can be dissolved or can be prorogued. Election. The members of Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people of the constituencies. What is the meaning of constituencies? This is nothing but group of voters. Okay. Constituencies means group of voters created on the basics of population. The Election Commission of India arranges, supervises and conducts elections to the Lok Sabha. So, which conducts elections to the Lok Sabha? The Election Commission. Universal adult franchise is followed while electing the members of the Lok Sabha. So, what is called universal adult franchise? All Indian citizens above 18 years of age who are registered as voters. So, who crossed 18 years, all that persons must vote. Yes or no? That is only called universal adult franchise. Functions of the Lok Sabha. Any bill can be introduced and passed in the Lok Sabha. We can pass and introduce any bill in the Lok Sabha. It has the same power as Rajya Sabha to participate in case of impeachment of President and the judges of the Supreme Court. So, what is the meaning of impeachment? Opposition. Okay. Oppose. Okay. It has equal power as Rajya Sabha in passing any bill for constitutional amendment. This Lok Sabha has equal power as Rajya Sabha in passing any bill. So, this Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha has equal powers only. Okay. Elected members of parliament from Tamil Nadu. Rajya Sabha 18 members, Lok Sabha 39 members. From Tamil Nadu, 18 members are elected to the Rajya Sabha, 39 members are elected to the Lok Sabha. Boys, we just go through these differences. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lower house is called Lok Sabha, upper house is called Rajya Sabha. In Lok Sabha, 552 members are maximum numbers. In Rajya Sabha, 250 members are maximum members. Prime Minister is the leader of Lok Sabha. Vice President is the chairman of Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha operates only for 5 years, but Rajya Sabha is a permanent body. To become a member of Lok Sabha, qualifying age is 25 years. For Rajya Sabha, 30 years. Okay, thank you.